हेलो डियर। तो क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि अगर हमारे शरीर से गंदे पदार्थ बाहर ना निकले तो क्या होगा? केवल कुछ दिनों में शरीर जहरीला हो सकता है। आज हम समझेंगे एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम को बिल्कुल आसान भाषा में। सो कवर टॉपिक इज definition of excretory system, function, organ of the excretory system, structure of kidney, nephron, urine formation, important need points, and quick revision. So let's start the definition. The excretory system is the body system that remove metabolic waste products, excess water, salt, and toxic substance from the body to maintain a healthy internal environment. Now functions. Excretory system remove urea, uric acid, and creatinine. Second is the maintain water balance and regulate electrolyte salt balance, maintain blood pH and help regulate blood pressure and maintain homeostasis. The third is a organ of the excretory system. Main organ is kidney, ureters, urinary bladders, and urethra. Kidney is the filter blood and produce urine. Ureters carry urine from the kidney to the urinary bladders, and urinary bladders is the store urine. Urethra is the remove urine from the body. The fourth is the structure of the kidney. The human have a two kidney. Each kidney contain about 1 million nephrons. The second is the kidney filters blood and form urine. The fifth is the nephron. The nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. Parts of a nephron is glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, proximal convolute tubules and loop of Henle and distal convolute tubules and collecting duct. Now 6 is the urine formation. Urine is the form in their steps. First is the glomerular filtration, second is the selective resorption, and third is the tubular secretion. The first is glomerular filtration. Glomerular filtration is the blood is filtered in the glomerulus. Second, selected resorption is a useful substance like glucose, water, and salt are resorbed into the blood. Third is tubular secretion. Additional waste substance are secreted into the filtrate. Seventh is important fact. Normal urine contain about 95% water and 5% resorbed waste. ADH यानी anti-diuretic hormones control water resorption. The third is the kidney filters about 180 liters of filtrate per day, but only 1 and 2 liters of urine are produced. Neat important points. Functional unit of kidney, nephron, site of filtration, glomerule, and urine stores in urinary bladders. Urine leave the body through urethra. Main function of kidney, blood filtration and homeostasis. The quick revision. Excretory system is the remove body waste. Main organ is the kidney. Functional unit of nephron, urine formation, filtration, resorption, secretion, maintain homeostasis. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more biology lesson for class 9 to 12 and NEET. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.